I'm Denison Berwick, creator of Marine Diesel Basics. Thanks for taking a moment to explore my Patreon page. I'd like to tell you about a new series of videos I'm producing to demystify marine diesel systems, how things work, what to look out for, best practices and much more. My goal through Patreon is to create a full course of short, non-technical videos in multiple languages to help sailors around the world, using drawings I create and photographs and some video clips, to explain all parts and circuits of the marine diesel systems, which sometimes can be quite intimidating. With enough support, we'll be able to post videos with captions in multiple languages. So if you've ever wanted to feel more confident and comfortable about maintaining your own diesel or learn about marine diesels on other vessels, here's an opportunity to come aboard and get familiar with everything from fuel tanks to propellers. So let's get going on this ambitious and I believe worthwhile project. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to take a rummage through the rewards if you're interested in investing and joining this project, and don't forget to contact me with any suggestions for videos or rewards if you'd like to see something extra here. And so until next time, I wish you fair winds and a reliable diesel.